Welcome to Manna Home Design, your destination for smart decor ideas, interior design inspiration, and practical home design tips for real-life living. If you love thoughtful, cozy spaces, especially small apartments, this channel is for you. Brilliant 527 square foot Brooklyn apartment decor ideas. Smart, stylish, and budget-friendly design tips. This is a real 527 square foot Brooklyn apartment, and it proves that smart design can make even a tiny New York City space feel bigger, brighter, and more functional, without expensive renovations. In this video, we're touring a 527 sq ft apartment in Brooklyn, New York, designed with realistic layouts, budget-friendly furniture, and clever storage solutions that actually fit. From a multi-use living room to renter-friendly storage hacks and a calm, efficient bedroom, every inch of this small apartment is used with intention. If you're living in a small apartment, a New York City rental, or just looking for smart space-saving ideas you can truly apply, you're going to love this tour. Before we get started, if you love smart small space design and real apartment tours, subscribe to Manna Home Design for practical ideas you can actually use. Entryway. Welcome into this real 527 square foot Brooklyn apartment, where every inch has to work hard. Like many New York City walk-up apartments, the entryway is narrow, compact, and purely functional, but smart design choices make it feel organized instead of cramped. Wall-mounted hooks, a slim shoe cabinet, and a small mirror keep this tiny apartment entryway clutter-free and renter-friendly. These budget-friendly storage hacks are essential for small Brooklyn apartments where built-ins usually aren't an option. By keeping furniture shallow and decor minimal, this small space instantly feels lighter and more welcoming. It's a realistic New York apartment solution that proves smart layout beats square footage every time. Living room, multi-use space plus real storage. This is the main living room of a realistic 527 square foot Brooklyn apartment, a single space that handles relaxing, entertaining, and everyday storage. With limited square footage, smart furniture placement becomes the foundation of good small space design. A compact sofa, storage ottoman, and narrow coffee table maximize function without blocking circulation. Low-profile shelving and floating shelves keep storage practical while preserving natural light from the apartment's only window. This New York City living room proves you don't need luxury built-ins to stay organized. With budget-friendly furniture and realistic proportions, the space feels balanced, livable, and truly designed for everyday Brooklyn apartment life. Dining nook, small but functional. In a 527 square foot Brooklyn apartment, the dining area often shares space with the living room. This small dining nook is designed to fit seamlessly without overwhelming the room. A drop-leaf table and compact chairs allow flexible seating while staying space-efficient. Wall-mounted shelves replace bulky cabinets, making this setup ideal for renters in tiny New York City apartments. This smart, budget-friendly dining solution shows how multifunctional furniture helps small apartments feel more open, more practical, and easier to live in every day. Kitchen. This kitchen reflects the reality of many Brooklyn apartments: compact, enclosed, and designed for efficiency rather than luxury. In a 527 square foot layout, every cabinet and countertop matters. Vertical storage, light-colored finishes, and simple subway tile help the kitchen feel brighter and more open. Standard New York City rental appliances keep the space realistic and budget-conscious. Instead of major renovations, smart organization transforms this tiny kitchen into a functional workspace, proof that good design doesn't require expensive upgrades. Home office corner. Working from home in a small Brooklyn apartment means carving out space wherever possible. This home office corner fits neatly into the living area without taking over the room. compact desk, wall-mounted shelves, and clean cable management keep the setup efficient and clutter-free. It's a renter-friendly workspace designed for real New York City apartment living. This layout proves even a tiny apartment can support productivity. With smart placement and space-saving furniture, working from home feels intentional, not improvised. Bedroom. This bedroom shows the true scale of a 527 square foot Brooklyn apartment. With tight clearances and limited floor space, smart storage becomes just as important as comfort. Underbed storage bins, a freestanding wardrobe, and wall-mounted sconces replace bulky furniture. These renter-friendly solutions help the room stay functional without feeling crowded. By keeping the layout simple and the furniture minimal, this small bedroom feels calm and balanced, exactly what you want at the end of a busy New York City day. Bathroom. Bathrooms in Brooklyn apartments are often compact, especially in pre-war buildings. This one sticks to classic proportions that feel instantly familiar to New York City renters. A tub shower combo, pedestal sink, and medicine cabinet maximize function and limited space. Over-the-toilet storage adds organization without crowding the floor. Simple finishes and smart storage keep the bathroom bright and practical, proof that even the smallest spaces can feel efficient and well-designed. Fire escape nook. Not every Brooklyn apartment has a balcony, but that doesn't mean you can't create a moment of calm. This window-side nook uses what's already there. Small planters, herbs, and vertical greenery bring life into the apartment without taking up valuable floor space. Natural light filters in from between neighboring buildings. This quiet corner is the perfect ending to the tour, a reminder that thoughtful design can make even a tiny New York City apartment feel personal, livable, and complete. If this tour inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone living in a small apartment. For more real New York City apartment tours, budget-friendly decor ideas, and smart space-saving tips, subscribe to Manna Home Design, and we'll see you in the next one.